Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about graphical symbols. Okay, various graphical symbols for every materials of construction used in building drawing. How to represent them in a building drawing. So let's start with first timber. Okay, when we need to show a timber on a building drawing, so in this type of rectangular box, we have to draw lines like this. So this is a graphical representations, or you can say graphical symbol for the timber. Now when we require to present glass, so simply in this rectangular box we have to draw this type of line. Okay, this is the graphical symbols for glass. If we have to show brick masonry, so brick masonry sections. Okay, S for section. Remember, this line, double line, should be at an angle of 45 degree. Okay, but if in some case we have to present elevations, okay, symbol as a elevation, so that time draw a simple rectangular box, then draw horizontal lines, write down here as a E, and this is the graphical symbol for the brick masonry in elevation, and this is in sections. Now for the stone masonry, okay, for the stone masonry, so one full line, dotted line, full line, dotted line, full line, then dotted line. So this procedure repeat till we reach at the end of this rectangular box. Again, keep in mind this line should be at an angle of 45 degree. So this is a graphical symbol for the stone masonry. Now for the concrete, it is very easy. We have to draw triangles, small triangles like this, then fill the box with this rectangle box with the dots. Okay, so this is the graphical symbol for the concrete. Now let's move on another. This is the graphical symbol for the wash basin. Okay, so wash basin, we have to do this type of half circle, or you can say arc, and one circle here. So graphical symbol for the wash basin, then water closet. Okay, so water closet, here circle, then like this. So this is the graphical symbol for the water closets. Then urinals. For that, make equal parts. Okay, and then like this dot. So this is the graphical symbol for the urinals. You can say here timber, then glass, then brick masonry in sections and brick masonry in elevation, stone masonry in section, concrete, wash basin, water closet, and urinals. Now for the steel bars, okay, for steel bars we have to draw line like this. Okay, so this is a hook. So this is a graphical symbol for the steel bar. For stirrups should like this, and this tie with a 4 reinforcement here. So this is a graphical symbol for stirrups. Now ceiling fan. Okay, this is graphical symbol for ceiling fan. Now ground level. We have to write here G, at the end L, or for uniformity you have to draw this line at an angle of 45 degree. Now graphical symbols for the door. So there are three types of basically doors. First we talk about single shutter. Okay, single shutter. So for the single shutter, say like this. Yeah. So it is timber. So we have to present as we previously present timber and single shutter. So from here, this line to here. Keep from here to here. Okay. So this is a brick masonry. Again, graphical representation for the brick masonry. So like this. This is a graphical symbol for the single shutter. Now for the double shutter, you see here same as single shutter, but we have to draw like this double line. So it represents a double shutter door. For the gate, we have to do like this. So these are the symbol or graphical symbol represent single shutter, double shutter and gate. Now for the staircase, simply draw like this. It is very easy. And my favorite, okay, graphical symbol. This is a section and simple. This is a stair. I'm loving it. Now for the graphical symbol for window. Okay, so window, you can simply represent like this with a double line, and you have to write like this. This is the graphical symbol for window. So keep in mind and try to learn graphical symbols which use in building drawings. Thank you for watching.